Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Rubik, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the PS2 and PS1 launcher. To do that, the first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store and search for Bluetooth launcher. Once you find it, you just have to download it. After it has been downloaded, open the app. The first thing you will see when you open it is a message telling you that you need to select a language first. Tap Accept, and in the next window, choose the language you prefer. Once the language has been selected, all you have to do is enjoy your childhood. Now, some of you may be wondering why the intro appeared for me, but not for you. The reason is that I have nostalgia mode enabled. This mode activates the original intros, and it also enables dual console mode. To activate it, you need to go to settings. And as you can see, the settings screen is very similar to the PS2 interface. Once you are there, go to the section called nostalgia mode. If you want the intro and the extra nostalgic features, simply enable it, and that's it. Before I continue showing more of the PS2 section, I'm going to show you how to access the PS1 section. To do that, from this same settings page, go to the option called Select Console and choose Console 1. As soon as you do that, just enjoy the moment. The PS1 section is very simple, just like the original PS1 home screen. Here, you can only launch a game or select a game from your app list. To access the app list, tap this button with the disk icon. Here you will see all the apps installed on your system. Select the one you want and launch it. I should mention that this home screen does not have much more to show, because the original PS1 home screen was very limited. You can navigate through your apps using this interface and not much more. With that said, I'm going back to the PS2 section. I tap here and enjoy the moment again. Now that we have enjoyed the intro, let's finally see how to use the PS2 launcher. We are on the main screen. We have already seen the settings screen, so now I'm going to open the browser. When you open it, you will move to this other screen. This is where you can organize your apps and games. The PS2 did not have a real folder system, so what I have done is treat each memory card as if it were a folder. As you can see, I already have several memory cards here. You will always have at least one memory card. That is how everyone starts. This first memory card will contain all the apps installed on your device. From there, you can uninstall apps, view different information, and more. Now I'm going back to the memory card list. If you open a game or an app, the next time you want to launch it, you only have to tap the disk icon. Just like on the original PS2. If you want to add PS2 games, you need to create a memory card dedicated to PS2 games. I'm going to do that now. Whenever you create a memory card for games or for apps, the launcher will ask you which games or apps you want to include. Once you select the games folder or the apps folder, everything will be ready. As always, the launcher also includes paid features. What I have shown you in this video is the basic part of what you can do. For the rest, I'll let you explore it by yourselves. Also, the launcher is compatible with foldable Android devices, regular Android phones, dual screen devices like the AYN Thor, Android TV, and more. With that said, I'm Mr. Rubik. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.